Hello everyone, I'm Oveshwara. Today we are discussing about the class 12 physics chapter number 2 unit in measurement, and today we are discussing about the exercise of these chapters. Okay, see here, fill the blanks by suitable conversion of unit 1 kilogram meter square second raised to minus 2. It is equals to gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. So 1 kilogram meter second raised to minus 2, it is equals to 1 into 10 raised to 3 gram into 10 raised to 2 centimeter square into second raised to minus 2. So we will get that the value is equals to 10 raised to 7 gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. See here, fill the blank by suitable conversion of unit 1 meter. 1 meter is equals to blanks light year. So 1 light year it is equals to 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter. Okay, so 1 meter it is equals to 1 by 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 light year. So we will get that the answer it is equals to 1 meter it is equals to 1.0567 into 10 raised to minus 60 light year. Fill in the blank by suitable conversion of unit 3.0 meters second raised to minus 2 and convert into kilometer hour raised to minus 2. So 3 into meter it is 10 raised to minus 3 kilometer. Also hour 1 hour it was 3600 seconds. So we will be divided by the 1 by 3600 seconds raised to 2. Okay, so we will get that the value it is equals to what value it is equals to 3.3880 into 10 raised to 3880 kilometer per hour square. And also we call that the 3.88 into 10 raised to 4 it is equals to also 3.9. By rounding of this figure we will get that the 3.9 into 10 raised to 4 kilometer per hour square. Now fill the blank by suitable conversion of unit G is equals to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square divided by the kg square. It is equals to centimeter square second raised to minus 2 and gram raised to minus 1. So see here we will convert into this value into this unit. So Newton meter square kilograms raised to minus 2. But 1 Newton is equals to 1 kg meter second into second raised to minus 2. So we will convert kilogram meter second raised to minus 2 into meter square into kilogram raised to minus 2. So we will get that the value is equals to meter cube second raised to minus 2 and kilogram raised to minus 1. So see here 10 raised to, we will get that the meter will convert into the centimeter 10 raised to 2 centimeter cube and 10 raised to 3 gram raised to minus 1. So we will get that the final value is that 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter cube second raised to minus 2 centimeters second raised to minus 2 and the gram raised to 1. Okay, a chlorine is a unit of heat of energy and it is equals about 4.2 joule, where 1 joule it is equals to 1 kilogram meter square second raised to minus 2. Suppose we employ a system of unit in which the unit of mass equals alpha kg, the unit of length it is equals to beta meter, the unit of time is gamma. So that a colliery has a magnitude 4.2, alpha raised to minus 1, beta raised to minus 2 and gamma raised to 2 in term of the new unit. So 1 calorie it is equals to 4.2 joule. So dimensional formula of heat energy it is equals to m1 l2 t minus 2. So mk system n1 it is equals to 4.2, m1 it is equals to 1 kg, l1 it is equals to 1 mm and the t1 it is equals to 1 second. Okay, so see here n2 it is equals to m1 m2 it is equals to alpha kg and l2 is equals to beta m and the t2 is equals to gamma s. See here one mistake is there, 1 gram, not a 1 gram, 1 second. Okay, so n1 n2 m1 l2 m1 to l2 to l2 t2 minus 2 and also m1 l n1 m1 m1 l1 t1 l1 l2 t1 t minus 2. Okay, so we are taking that the ratio of these both the things, we will get that the value 1 upon alpha 1 1 upon alpha alpha 1 1 upon beta raised to 2 and 1 upon gamma raised to minus 2. So we will adding these things, we will get that the and do it is equals to 4.2 alpha raised to minus 1 beta raised to minus 2 and gamma raised to 2. Explain the statement clearly. It is a theoretical question, so you will learn by yourself. See, a new unit of length is chosen so that the speed of light in vacuum is unity. What is the distance between the sun and earth in terms of new unit if light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to cover distance? So velocity of speed of light in vacuum, the velocity of speed of light in vacuum, v is equals to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. It is equals to c. Okay, suppose we have discussed taking that the c as a unit. So c 3 into meters raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 meters second inverse is equals to, so c per new unit of speed is equals to 1 c. So 1 c denote speed, it is new speed, and distance d it is equals to speed into time. Okay, so d it is equals to 1 c into 10 8 meter in plus 20 seconds so 8 minute it means 8 6 48 second plus 20 seconds. So we will get that the 1 second 1 c into 50 second. So the new unit is that 50 multiplied by the new unit system. Okay, we can derive the unit system of these things. Second is that the measurement of thickness of human hair by looking at it through a microscope of the magnification 100. He makes 20 observations and finds that the average width of hair in the field of view of the microscope is 3.5 meter. What is the width? What is the estimate of the thickness of hair? The view of width of human hair it is equals to 3.5 mm. The magnification of microscope it is equals to 100. So real width of the human hair it is equals to then real width width divided by the real width. So, width is viewed width divided by the magnification. The viewed width is the 3.5 and divided by the 100. So we will can the value is 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 millimeter. Some see here. The photograph of house occupy an area of 1.75 centimeters square on 35 mm slide. The slide is projected on a screen and the area of house on the screen is 1.55 meter. What is the linear magnification of the projector screen arrangement? So see here the 1.75 centimeter square into convert into the meter, so we will get the 7.75 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square, and the magnification is, we know that the intense standard magnification is equals to area of image divided by the area of object. So area of image, area on screen, it is equals to 155 meter square, and the area on slides it is equals to 1.75 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. So m it is equals to 0.8857 into 10 raised to 4. The linear combination is the aerial magnification under root aerial magnification, where aerial magnification is equals to 0.8857 into 10 raised to 4. So we will get that the value is equals to 0.941 into 10 raised to 2. Okay, this is our things is that. See here, the state the number of significant figure in the following is equals to 0.07 meter square. Okay, there are only one significant figure. Similarly, we also that the figure significant figure in this topic. Okay, in this 14 to 19, there are the five sums are there, so you can solve by yourself. Okay, the mass of the box measured by a grosser balance is 3.200 kg. The two gold price of mass mass is 20.15 gram and the 20.17 gram are added to the box. What is the total mass of the box? So we will get that the value of total gold price is 20.15 grams and 0.02015 kilogram. The first gold price. The second gold price is that the 0.00217 gram. Okay, so the mass of box, it is equals to 2.3 plus 2.02015 plus 0.02017. So we will get that the value is equal to 3.2.34032 kilogram. And so we are taking the value of decimal point, value of decimal, so we will get that the total mass of box is equal to 2.3 kilogram. The mass of box measured by the grocer balance is 2.030 kilogram. Two gold price of mass is 20.15 gram and 20.17 gram are added to the box. What is the difference in the mass of the price to correct a significant figure? So see here, 0.02017 minus 0.02015. So we will get that the 0.0002 kilogram. A book with many printing errors contains four different formula for a displacement y of particle undergoing a certain periodic motion. Y is equal to a sine 2 pi by t, 2 pi t upon t. Second is that y is equal to a sine p into t. Third one is that y is equal to a by t sine t upon a. And the fourth one is y is equal to a by root 2 sine 2 pi by t plus cos 2 pi by t. Hence, here A is the maximum displacement of the particle, v is equals to speed of particle, t is equals to time period of the motion. So rules out of the wrong formula on one dimensional ground. So y it is equals to a sine Vt. Here angle V into T, it's a dimensional formula, should be m0 l0 t raised to 0, but V into T it is equals to m0 l1 t raised to minus 1 and also t raised to 1. So we will get that the m0 l1 t raised to 0. So hence it is a dimensionally incorrect. Okay, second is that y it is equals to a by t sine t by a. So a by t should have a same dimensional formula as of displacement. So a by t it is equals to m0 l1 t1 raised to minus 2 divided by the t raised to 1. So we will get that the m0 l1 t raised to minus 1. So the hence dimensionally incorrect. Third is the dimensionally incorrect, and 1 and 4th are the dimensionally correct formula. See the famous relationship physics relates moving the mass to the to the rest mass m0 of a particle in the terms of its speed v and the speed of light c. This is relation first arrow is the consequence of the special relativity due to the Albert Einstein. A boy recalled the relation almost correctly, but forgot where to put the constant c. He write that one m is equal to m0 1 minus v square raised to 1 half. So guess where to put the missing c. For correct equation, dimensional formula for both must be same. Here, dimensional formula of m and m0 are same. Therefore, 1 half m0 and 1 half 1 minus v square 1 by 2 should be dimensional less, but is not to take in dimensional less, v square must be divided by c square. So the correct equation is that m is equal to m0 1 minus v square upon c square raised to 1 by 2. Okay, just as price measurement are the necessary in science, it is equally important to be able to make a rough estimate of the consistent quantity using the rudimentary ideas and the common observation. Think of way by which you can estimate the following. Where an estimate is difficult to obtain, try to get upper bound on the quantity. The total mass of rain bring goods over Indian during the monsoon. In India, over average rainfall is 100 centimeter or 1 mm. According to meteorologist, late area of country is A. It is equals to 3.3 meter into kilometer square. So 3 meter tends to make 10 raised to 6 mega million kilometer. So 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to 3 to the 3 into square 3 of square. So 3.3 into 10 raised to 12 meter square. So but the mass m is equal to density upon volume. But density is 10 raised to 3. Okay, density is 10 raised to 3. Area into height is equal to our area into height. So we get that the value is equal to 3.3 into 10 raised to 15 kg. Okay, what we will get that the 10 raised to 15 kg. Then after, just as the price of measurement are similarly, our 25 number is same for that the above equation. So we, in this equation we will discussing about that the volume of water, and second is that we will getting that the value mass of elephant. Okay, so do by yourself. If you have any kind of problem, then see in the slides, and also if you have any kind of issue, then comment in comment box. Okay guys, thank you. After that we will discussing another examples of these chapters. Thank you so much guys.